what you do when you know a snowstorm is coming. Go shopping for snacks. Snack time. When you know a snowstorm coming. Yummy.